In this video, I'm going to talk about and discuss powers of trigonometric function in integration. If we have the integration of sine raised to mu times cosine raised to nu du, where at least one of m and n or both powers are positive or are positive odd integer. So I have examples here. What is the integration of sine raised to 5 7x times cosine raised to 6 7x dx? So what I'm going to do here is to rewrite this. As you have observed, we have to focus on the odd exponent. So this becomes sine raised to 4 7x times sine 7x times cosine raised to 6 7x dx. So I can still rewrite this sine raised to 4 as sine squared 7x raised to 2 times sine 7x times cosine raised to 6 7x dx. So here I will use the Pythagorean identity. This becomes 1 cosine squared 7x squared times sine 7x cosine 6 7x cosine raised to 6 rather 7x dx. So our u, we are going to assume that our u is cosine 7x, so that when we get the derivatives of cosine 7x, we have sine, so we can cancel this out. So our du then is negative 7 sine 7x, and our dx, since we are going to isolate, there's a dx here, we're going to isolate, divide both sides by negative 7 sine 7x. So this becomes, our dx is just du over negative 7 sine 7x. Okay, so this becomes 1 minus u squared sine 7x, then u raised to 6. Since this cosine 7x is just equal to u, so our dx then, we're going to substitute it this with this, du over negative 7 sine 7x. Okay, so we can cancel this out, and this 1 negative 1 7, we're going to put it in front. This becomes negative 1 7 integration of the squared of 1 minus u squared times u raised to 6 du. I'm going to erase this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to foil this expression. 1 minus u squared, I'm gonna foil it. This becomes 1 minus 2 u squared plus u to the fourth times u raised to 6 du. So I'm just going to distribute this u raised to 6 u raised to 6 minus 2 times u raised to 8 plus u raised to 10 du. Right. So now what I'm going to do is to integrate negative 1 7 integration of u raised to 6 minus 2 integration of 8 u raised to 8 plus integration of u raised to 10 du. So this becomes negative. This becomes 1 minus 7 integration of u raised to 6 is just u raised to 7 over 7 minus 2 u raised to 9 over 9 plus u raised to 11 over 11 plus c plus c. So this becomes so this becomes this becomes um negative 1 over 49 u raised to 7 plus 2 over 63, since if we are going to multiply this whole thing right here, times u raised to 9 plus, oh, this is not plus, this is a minus sign, this is a negative sign, minus 1 over 77 u raised to 11 plus c. So our final answer is negative 1 over 49. Our u is just cosine 7x. Cosine raised to 7 7x plus 2 over 63 cosine raised to 9 7x plus, no, it's not plus, minus 1 over 77 cosine raised to 11 7x plus c. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. This is JP Jimenez.